urges for me. Oh, so lucky, GS Rocker. Every man has amazing woman. For you, it's Miss Aisha. And for AGR, still didn't come. God. So we have different kinds of destiny, you know. For me, still I'm still I don't have sure sure destiny. My destiny. So as long as I live, I love you. You also good choose for Asia. Yeah, because they meet each other, they love each other. That is a perfect couple, you know. Perfect perfect couple when you meet each other and you will feel the love. You will feel the hottest from head to toe. Love each other from head to toe. Mag-e-end na ako tas hindi pa ako nag-end. I say I will end but I'm not ending my life. Sige na nga, babay na, bahala na. Oh, no. Sige na. I only wish I met her 20 years ago. I had 6 beautiful children with her. Papa Jimbo may working and busy. That's why YouTube did not allow you to do membership. You are like me, madam. Jaja, you are still queen. Don't forget that. Greg, thank you, Greg. Yeah, you know what? If I do live streaming membership, Papa Jimbo will not be able to join. Jim also knows, so no one will come again. Only AGR, so that's better. Yeah, better. So ayan na, bye na guys. Then can you open kindergarten yourself? Yes. Sige na, uy. Ay, nagsampu na tuloy. I think this time it's viewers better, yeah. I don't want to sleep in my life because I will snore. Don't forget about that. I also beside you. Sige na, bye na. Greg, thank you. Greg, I'm not allow you to stall something tonight. Yeah, Greg, already I gave Greg the green panty. I told him, never mind, no need to return. If he wants to hide it, no problem. Also, JR. Thank you so much. Ayan na, thank you. Greg, bye-bye, Greg. Bye-bye. I feel so sleepy, really. Jess, love you. Miss Aisha, love you. He try Aisha. Oh, bye bye. Bye, JL.